All right, this is room 11120, Luxor. Remember reading the description of the room, it said it is big. 2 queens with a jacuzzi and big. All right. Coming into the left, you got your restroom. Full standing shower, toilet, and that's quite a reach to grab toilet paper. So you might want to get some before you sit down, or just move it to the toilet. Single sink, lots of space on the counter, and a lot more room in the back. Not sure what that's about. All right, this room does connect, so if you need an additional room, you can make this into a massive room. All right, closets external, no doors. Some cubbies to put your things. Hangers, there's a safe. And a space down below to bag, shoes, whatever. All right. This room does have an odor to it. I'm not sure what that is, but it kind of stinks. It smells like an old Motel 6. All right, 2 queens. Looks like the carpet's recently changed, and I think they did recently remodel these. Sorry about the water bottles. All right. Just one nightstand to share between the beds. Over here in the corner is the jacuzzi, right next to the window. So open those curtains up and have everybody watching you take a jacuzzi. Nice little chair there. There's lots of space in here for put your clothes in all drawers. Let's put stuff there. I don't think they have the connections like they do in other MGM resorts to hook up like gaming console and stuff like that. All right, cool thing about this room is it's not just the bedroom. It has a living room. Nice little sofa and a chaise lounger. A big coffee table. It's a nice little party area. Table and chairs. And an additional TV. The thing that's really kind of old, stands out to me, is this air conditioner unit. It's in both sides. They're very loud. One cool perk about this room is you do get a small refrigerator, which is hard to come by on the strip. The view. That's the Luxor Tower. We've actually have a room tour of the Luxor Tower room in another video if you care to watch that. Anyways. Room 11120. Here at Luxor, Las Vegas. Thanks for watching.